VOO made me more money. That's right. It made me money while I slept. I know it's the boring ETF, but it might be the best wealth building tool for you in 2025. I'm going to show you why I think it's one of the best performers that you can ever invest in. I'm going to show you a chart that's going to blow your mind. That's right, folks. You see, investing in the Vanguard S&P 500 ETF is the way to build wealth while you sleep. I mean, literally, Vanguard ETF, aka the large cap fund, has helped me to make hundreds of thousands of dollars. That's right. I've been able to sleep while I've been able to enjoy some of the biggest and best companies. Let me show you real quick some of the companies that you own when you're invested in the S&P 500. Guess what? The 500 means you literally own over 500 stocks for one low price. That's right. Look, you have Nvidia, you have Microsoft, Apple, Amazon, Facebook, Broadcom, Alphabet. You got Warren Buffett's own Berkshire Hathaway, Tesla. Come on now. That is the best portfolio that you can buy, especially if you're working for the government. You got the thrift savings plan. You're going to go and say, wait a minute, Michael, I don't see the Vanguard S&P 500. It is listed as the C fund, AKK large cap fund. That's right. It's the large cap fund that most companies are using to match. Why? Because it's proven over time that the S&P 500 helps you become a millionaire. There are so many retired millionaires working for companies who invested in this one exchange traded fund or mutual fund, and it is the S&P 500. And guess what? You're thinking, Michael, I don't have a lot of money. I don't have a lot of money. What can I do? Well, take a look at this. Here's what Vanguard says, how much money you need to be able to invest in the S&P 500 with them, because they want to help you make money. Look, right there, it says price minimum investment $1. Now take a look down there. Expense ratio. You see that 0.03%? Oh my goodness. That's one of the lowest fees, management fees for someone to manage your money. They're only going to charge you 0.03%. Go and compare to some of the other investments out there. Here's the thing. If you work for a company, most of the time, there's only a few options that you can choose from. And when you take a look at the options and you look at the Vanguard S&P 500, oh my goodness, you're saving so much money. You don't have to be the one every day going and buying more shares of Tesla, more shares of Apple stock. Somebody is doing it for you. Look at the 10-year return. Oh my, this is how you make money while you sleep. Over 10 years, S&P 500 has an average return of 13.6%. 13.6%. Now you're saying, okay, is that good? I'm trying to tell you that is great. It is fabulous because if you invested in, say, a bond and you got an average return of 3%, it would take you 24 years for your money to double. But if you're getting a 13% return on your money, oh my goodness, your money is literally doubling in like 6 years. That's right. I mean, you are becoming a millionaire while you sleep. And that's what this is all about. It's about making money so that you can retire early. Now, the best thing about the S&P 500, the Vanguard, is that there's little to no stress. And it's Warren Buffett approved. Warren Buffett said, hey, if something happens to me, wife, I want you to invest in the S&P 500. That's right. Low fees, make money while you sleep. If you don't have an emergency fund and you got high interest credit cards, well, you might want to go ahead and knock those out. But once you get done doing that, I mean, let's take a look at the chart one more time. Let's see how your money, look at this chart. Isn't this a beautiful line? Look at the chart. Oh my goodness, this is a beautiful line right here. You start off saying, wow, should I invest or not? You take the plunge. You invested at the beginning of January and look at your money. It went up and then it went up and then it went up and it kept making money while you what? Sleep. If you like this, hit the like button right now because the next video, I'm telling you, is going to be better than this one. Now you're saying, what is large cap? What does that mean? Take a look at here. I got you covered. See, large cap means that the amount of money that index fund managers is literally in the top tier. Look here, 300 billion market cap. $300 is invested in this. That means it must be good. It's like a line. You see everybody lining up to buy something, that means it must be good. And that's why everybody's lining up to buy the S&P 500 because it is good. Hey, download the free resource. Since you listened this far, I got a treat for you. Go ahead and download it. It's at michaeldillard.org. The Financial Wellness Kit, ready for you so you can build financial wealth while you sleep. Now, here's another thing about investing. Investing is all about consistency. You have to keep buying. You say, Michael, what happens when the market goes down? Okay, let's take a look. There was a little dip here in the middle, right? It dipped down. That's when you buy more. It's like Walmart or Kmart or Louis Vuitton having a sale, 10% off. Buy today, tax-free weekend. What you're going to take advantage of a sale, right? So when the market goes down, you go ahead and you load up and you buy more. Get more money in your pocket, more money making more money for you so that you can retire early. Spend time with your loved ones. That's right. Are you an individual stock picker type individual, or are you team S&P 500? Type 500 in the chat right now in the comment section. Are you team S&P 500? Type 500. Or you're like, nah, I got this, Michael. I can beat all the stocks. I know which ones to pick. And my proven record over 10 years is better than the S&P 500. I want to see, who are you? Put individual in the comment section right now. Like, subscribe, make sure you get that extra free bonus I gave you. It's a free lesson that is helping you build generational wealth. 1 penny, 1 dime, $1 at a time. Vanguard VOO is helping you to make money while you sleep, folks. That's right. Enjoy your time, enjoy your money, build wealth while you sleep.